Are we okay? I'm not okay. This jar is from Boho Sunflower Chick. I will be tagging her below. I'm pretty sure she has a website and not a Depop, so definitely go check her out on there. Got a little letter. She said, thank you so much for your order, and she hopes that I love everything. Thank you so much, Sarah. I am very, very excited. And then she also sent me some really cool stickers, which I will be keeping. Thank you. I have no idea what this is. No idea. But let's get straight into it. Oh. Okay, so for this jar, I asked her if she could make me like a beachy themed one, and she freaking delivered. This side is keep, this side is not keep. You guys know the drill. I don't have to tell you every time. Mine. Thank you very much. Holy watch. That is so massive. That is like as big as the width of my wrist, actually. This is so cool. But I will not be keeping. One of you guys will enjoy this way more than I will. But she's gorgeous. Okay. I think it's like a little bangle, baby pink bangle. This will be for you, not for me. We've got a very soft scrunchie. I will be taking that to my boyfriend's house tonight, so it makes it easier to wash my face. Because right now I'm literally just holding my hair back when I do. And I'll bet you guys care. Look at this keychain. On my bag. On the bag after this. Thank you. Holy hair clip. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. Probably not for me, but that is okay. Because more for you. Okay, we're missing an earring. But that is gorgeous. So I will be keeping. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Sorry. Okay. This will be for you, not for me. Oh, okay, I have to keep this one. That is so cute. Thank you very, very much. And then we've got a little bag in here. What could possibly be in this little bag? The most beautiful necklace I've ever seen in my entire life. I will be keeping. Alright, now let's get into the jars. I'm so excited. Let's start off with the small one first because we're already at 3 minutes. I'm try and get through this whole one right now, hopefully. We'll see. Okay, first off, hello. Chanel earrings. Absolutely mine. Thank you so much. That is really gorgeous. Okay, whoa. Yeah, that's gonna be my, oh. Mine. Here's the match. Mine. Thank you very much. Shut up. That. The red bow. Oh my god, those are gonna be so perfect for like my Christmas outfits and stuff. Just you wait. Just you wait. I think it goes, wait, stop turning. Oh. That is chunky, and that is gorgeous, and that is mine. Here's the other bow. We've got the other bow earring. Are you kidding me? Mine. Oh my god. If I need to read something about... Can you guys see me through this? Am I distorted? Me when I read books. I'm keeping that. That is so cool. It's a little strawberry bracelet with, like, I think a bow on it. Whoa. That's mine. You guys are killing it with these jars. We got a little strawberry ring that will actually fit me. I'll be keeping that. What are you? What do I do with this? Does this go on, like, my upper arm and just dangles? Because that is going to look so lovely once I get my arm bigger. I'm keeping that. I don't care. It doesn't fit me right now. Not right now, but it will. Trust. Oh my goodness. Me and my crystals. That's mine. This is so cute. Look at those little flowers. We've got these earrings. Very, very elegant. Maybe. Just because I think I have a pair similar. If I don't have a pair like this, I will definitely be keeping them though. I just can't keep up because I do jewelry jars too, so it's hard to like remember what's mine and what like I have and what I don't have. That's gorgeous. I don't think they're real. Yeah, no. But I'm keeping, regardless. Thank you. Okay. These are earrings. Guys, alert. Y'all are literally spoiling me with these jars. That goes in your hair. That is a hairpin. Okay. I'm so scared. I don't want to tangle anything. That's mine. Let me speed up. Hello. Jesus. Come on. I don't want to break anything. But we gotta go. We gotta go. Oh, whoa! I was just talking about a necklace. Getting a necklace like that? Yeah. Here's the other matching bow earring. It's a little wonky and messed up. That's okay. Pfft. Hello? Hello? Mine? Mine? We're on the silver side tonight, guys, okay? Be nice. Be nice in the comments. Because I'm sensitive. I don't want to break this. I really don't. I don't want to break it. I'm so scared that I'm going to... What did I just break? Okay, hold on. First off, these will be for you, not for me. These are going to be for me and not for you. What was that? Okay, we've got the back of an earring. Okay, nothing broke. Here is the other earring match. Oh my god, what do I do? What do I, like, seriously, what do I do? Oh my god. Guys, help. Okay, we finally got all untangled. Patricia, I'm so sorry, but I am keeping that. If she ever watches this video fully, she's gonna be like, I need that. This is one that will actually fit. That's mine. Alright, next up, I think this is a bracelet. No. If this fits around my... No, I will choke myself to death if I put that around my neck. Let's not do that. But I will be keeping it as a bracelet, like you're supposed to. Are you kidding? Okay, hurry up, Raquel. Hurry up. We've got this layered necklace. This is... Oh my god, it's got a little R on it. That's mine. Little roses. I think this is a choker. That is mine. Here's the other earring. I'm gonna run out of time. Other earring. Butterfly choker. You know what? I really don't want to rush with this much stuff in here, so I'll go to part 2. Let's dig into the rest of this jar and then open this big mama. I'm very, very excited. So far, we've kept mostly everything. Almost everything. That is so cool. Yeah, that would fit. I'm gonna keep that. Oh, I see something in here that I'm gonna lose my mind over in like about 10 seconds. Hold on. These? Yeah. Get out. I see you. I see you in all your glory. I don't know where your sister is, but like, could you guys imagine this and this together? Hold on. Sorry. Thumbnail. Ignore. That was embarrassing. I hate doing that so much. I feel like Trisha Paytas doing that. It's one of these. It's one of these. Oh my god. Patricia, I'm sorry, girl. That is also mine. Oh. Y'all are seriously spoiling the crap out of me. You do not understand. You do not have to do all this. That is gorgeous. Would I ever wear that? I probably would never wear that, so that'll be for you. Not for me, but it is super pretty. Oh. mine. Oh my god, this is actually so cute. It's like the 101 Dalmatians. Oh, and it's like actually from Disney. This will be for you, not for me though. I probably would never end up wearing that. Here's the match to those earrings. Okay, get out of there. I'm never gonna buy a jewelry jar ever again because I have all I ever needed right in here. Oh, what do you guys think? I feel like it's giving like strawberry vibes. I don't know, maybe. Maybe. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. What are you? These are earrings. I could make like an Alice in Wonderland look with that or something. I like always think of all these things that I could be doing with my looks. Yeah, for the beach. Are you kidding me? Okay. You know that fish necklace I found in that jar? That's gonna be paired with that all the time. What are you? Look at it. It's like a little glass animal. That's gonna be mine forever and ever. I will cherish you forever and ever. We've got this like... She like gave me all the themes that I love. That is mine. What am I supposed to do with like all of this beautiful jewelry? Because I'm gonna be sick. These are gonna be for you, not for me though. And as will these. These are really pretty though, I must say. But they're gonna be for you. Here's the other clock earring. Hello. And then we've got this like gothic-y earring. I think I'm gonna give these to you guys though. And then we have the other abalone shell earring. And then the other rose earring. I think, yeah, I give those to you as well. And then these. Hell yeah. And we still have this to go through. So, go to part 3, I guess. Do you guys see this? That butterfly in there? I'm gonna need that ASAP. This jar is from Miyomi. Look at how cute this card is. And they sent this jar to me for free to promote. So I am extremely excited. Like, are we kidding? There's also this freebie. It's like a little book. So cute. And inside is this gorgeous bracelet. And it says it's like originally $26. I think it's crystals. But oh my god, I will be keeping that. As well as a little tiny book. And then she also sent this for free, which I think this is so cool, but this is definitely not my vibe. So if you want it, let me know. It'll probably be listed on my Depop. I'll be tagging her in the caption, by the way, so if you guys do want to go check out her stuff, you definitely should. Alright, cute little blue bow, adorable. Let's get straight into it. Looks like there's like a little rose in here, like a genuine... That is so cute. Alright. Starting off, if I can untangle, and oh boy, we might have a tangled mess in here, folks. Okay. First off, these earrings are so cute, but I would never wear them, so they will be for you and not for me. Here's the match. Right here. Did I say this side is keep, this side is not keep? I can't remember. Also I have like no jewelry on today, so we need to accessorize ASAP. Please. That's mine. Immediately, thank you. What are you? Oh. Look at that ring. Like, that's mine. Keeping. I'm sure we can get this out yet. Please. Please. What's going on? Okay. Yes, we can. Is it all connected? Yes, it is. Alright, next up. That. Oh my god, come on. Come on. Show Oh, that is so pretty, dude. I might have to put that on with this outfit because it would match so stinking good. Stop it. Look at this little fairy bracelet. Oh man, yeah. I'm gonna try and put this on right now. Please work with me. Now. Tighten it. Good enough. Yes, I just did that with my teeth. Ignore me. Alright, next. Oh my goodness. That is so cute. That is mine. I'll be keeping. Here is the other spider earring for me. Stop! This, oh my god, this is gonna be so good with my blue outfit. Okay. Oh. I'll give it. Get it out, please. I think it's just a brooch. But are we serious? Are we being so for real right now? Look at how beautiful that is. That obviously I'm keeping. Okay. Next up, we have this little, hold on, that's satisfying. Look how stinking cute that is. And I think I can just put batteries in there and it'll work. That's mine. Okay, next up we have this blue necklace. This is really cool. Would I wear that? Maybe. Put that in the maybe. Then we've got this regular pearl necklace I will not be keeping. Look how cute this watch is. But this will be for you, not for me. It's like got a purple face to it. I think that is so cool. It probably just needs batteries to work. Alright. What? That is so cool, but I'm not gonna keep. What are you? Excuse me? Excuse me? Oh. It's a choker. That's mine. This is also a choker. Are we seeing the butterflies, guys? What? This is so pretty. Let me figure out how to go about this because it's kind of... Oh my gosh, yeah. Yeah. I was keeping... What? That is so neat. Hello? Would I ever wear that though? This will probably be for you, not for me. And then we've got this little green bracelet in here. And this is gorgeous. I will be keeping... I don't know. I'm gonna keep for now. But yeah, thank you so much for sending me this jar. This is gorgeous. Definitely go check out her website right now. She also goes live a lot. And just chef's kiss. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye!